Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Today guys, we are going to make the pages for the Stamperia Precious Mini or 8x8 album. And in the last video we made the album and then we made the spine. So for the pages, let me see my notes. You will need 5 pieces of 8 3/4 by 7 1/2. You need 5 at 7 3/4 by 7 1/2, and then your photo mats that go inside the pages, you need 5 that are 7 1/2 by 7 1/2. So on our largest piece, which is this one right here, I am going to score at 1/2 inch on each side. And remember guys, we're going to do this 5 times. So 1/2 inch, and then it's just quicker for me to turn it and do the 1/2 inch. Okay. And this is going to make our pages. And then I went ahead and added my double-sided tape on the one side without the bump, because that one is going to fold under. And then I added it to the other side. And then I burnished it, so my bumpy side is over here. I'm going to go ahead and fold that side, burnish it. Okay, now we are going to attach the other side. Just make sure you have the correct side because they are different. It will only fit one way. So I'm going to remove the tape, and I'm just going to remove a piece of it. I'm not going to remove the whole thing because I'm going to line it up first, and I'm going to stand it up so I can see what I'm doing here. I am going to line them up okay. Then I will do the other side. This one I will remove all the way. And then push it down, and that is our page that goes into our album. Now we're going to put this one, as you can tell, I have already done the other 4, and I'm going to show you how you put those in there. So I am going to remove a little bit. Actually, I did the front first. I find it easier to do the front. And this is my open. So I'm going to slip this opening into my hinge. There we go. And then I am going to make sure that it lines up with the rest of these. And then I'm going to push it in. Now I don't want it to go past my fold line. Okay. So I do the front one first. Okay. Then I come in and then I do the one on the back. And that one doesn't look quite straight, but of course, you know, I'm on video. And that makes all my 5 pages. These are my inserts that go into my pages. There are my inserts. My pages are all in, and I'll probably cut these down a little bit, but I didn't want to cut them too much. That's why I left them a little bit big, a little bit wide here, but that's okay. We'll go back to that if we have to. So there is our mini album coming together. Okay, so we have our 5 pages. I'm going to leave this one blank because that one is going to show through my front cover. So I am going to do nothing to this one. This is page 1, page 2 and 3. We're going to work on those. So page 2, here we go. This is page 2. We are going to make a waterfall on page 2. And these are 6 by 4 1/4, and they are scored at 1/2 inch. Our waterfall is going to go right here. Okay, and then this page is 8 by 7 5/8, and I scored this one at 1/2 inch and then 3/4 inch. So it's not going to go flush down on the page because it needs to have a little bit of room for the waterfall. So let's get that waterfall in there. I am thinking I need to cover this page first. Okay, so this is 7 3/8 by 7 1/4. I am going to put my cover page down first. So that has a 1/4 inch allowance for the waterfall. I'm going to put this right here. Now I'm going to put this down right here. Now my waterfall is going to go down right here. Guys, I guess I'm going to start right here. Okay, this one is going to close this way. And what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to put a magnet on the top of this very first waterfall page and a magnet right here. But right here, I am going to put a pocket right here. Oh, no, I said on the side. Put a pocket right here. There we go. All right, I'm not going to put anything on the waterfall because this is going to help it close. At least that's what I'm thinking right now. So pocket or page number 3, these are 7 1/2 by 7 3/8, and I scored on the 7 1/2 inch side. I scored 1/2 inch, and these are going to be flaps. So one flap will go this way. The other flap will go this way. This way. and this way, and they will open opposite sides, this way, and this way. And this one has to have a magnet. So I'm going to glue these down one on top of the other. All right. And a magnet right here. All right, this is page 3. All right, page 1 is blank. Here's our insert that we may cut down. Here is another pocket with a room for some mats. Here is our waterfall. I may put another one, but I really want some of this paper showing, so I may not. And then that closes that way. Okay. And then this is page 3, opens this way, this way, this way, and this way. All right, there is our mat. This is page 4. What do I have for 4 and 5? I have pockets, just pockets on the sides this way. Okay, so I am using scraps, guys. These are 8 and 3/16 by 3 and 5/8. They're scraps, so just use your scraps. And I've scored 1/2 inch all the way around. I've used some double-sided tape, and these will become pockets right here. Okay, that's all this is. Okay. 4 and 5, we still need 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, and to figure this out. So I think we are halfway done with this album. Okay, and for this side right here, we're going to do something really different for this side. Since we're going to do something so different for this side, I think this is a good stopping point. The next video, I will show you what we are doing for pages 6 and 7. 8 and 9 are not going to be real difficult. And then this one I will figure out. I haven't figured this one out, the last one, just yet, because it is going to show through the back cover. So this is a good stopping point, guys. I hope you follow along. This is really turning out to be, you know, pretty good. Not bad at all. So we will see you in the next video, and I will talk to everyone later. Have a wonderful day. Thanks a lot, guys.